Hi guys, Melissa here showing you some of the holistic treatments my family used this year when they had the flu. So this is Propolis cough syrup. So Propolis is found in bee honey, and that is a substance that helps to improve your immune system while also kind of helping to coat your throat if you're coughing and it's an issue. So this one you can do 2 teaspoons at a time. It is sweet, so just keep that in mind, but it helps to coat your throat and help with coughing. So if that is something that's plaguing you this winter, check it out.